Hey guys, today I am going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. Let's dive right in. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Okay, so here we go. Diving right in. Oh, by the way, I've played this and I have the pulsar, I believe, and some backpack. Sorry about that. My mom's phone just fell. Sorry about that. But, alright, I'm going to go open tasks and let's collect 10,000 pollen from the clover field. Okay. And I feel like this one is mine, so, yeah, let's just go to the clover field, I feel like. So then I can complete the brown bear stalking, whatever it is, task. Yeah. That's going to help me with, like, the ladybug task, too, which is going to be nice. Oh, I hate when they, like, die in the air, because then it's, like, so hard. Have you ever seen that? Okay, so now I need to go collect red pollen, and I know there's a lot of red pollen in the mushroom fields. So I'm just going to go ahead and go there. Alright. And sorry if my hands are blocking the screen. That's what it's like. I'm just going to, like, sit here and collect the pollen. Okay. And then 25 ability tokens. Ability tokens. Okay. So here, let's try. Okay, so I'm done that. Now I need to go find another ladybug. Ooh, yes, this thing. These things are so good. But then I bet, you know what? I'm just gonna go and get my paper planter. And, like, just sit here. So then, like, yeah. We can do that. Okay. Ooh. I want to try to get this thing. Poof. Never mind. Alright, guys. So, yeah. Thank you for all the support that you did so far. And I hope you have a really good day so far. And I really hope that you like this video. And comment down below. Like, maybe I'll play one of the Roblox games that you want me to play. I don't know. I'll do it. And the first person to comment, the Roblox game, I'll play it. Fair enough? Alright. I need 2 more ability tokens to finish this one. And then I can get it. So, yeah, I'm just going to, like, hang around the paper planter. Just, like, sit here so then my bees, like, all the, oh, honey. Okay, good. And now, let it snow. I need 3 ladybugs. Is the ladybug over here dead? Yes. What should I do? I could defeat the spider. I don't know. Go bees. Kill him. Okay, this is honestly super easy. Oh, yes, I got royal jelly. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Okay, he's dead. Wow, this is, like, honestly super easy. Alright, let's go. I got out of control for a second. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna. Anyway, I'm pretty sure I already did get up there. Yeah. So. I just need to wait for this ladybug to spawn. Okay, so, yeah. I'm just going to go back to plan B, just camp here. And hopefully, like, the planter will be done. And then I can, like, take it out and then I can get it. Yeah. And sorry about the background noise in my last video. I'm really sorry about that. And before you watch any of my other videos before this, check out my introduction. And I am very new to Roblox, if you're wondering. I mean, not Roblox, YouTube. Yeah. Anyway, if I was new to Roblox, I don't know how in the world I would, have all this stuff. Someone please summon a honey storm. I'm like, I need one more legendary bee, and then I have the honey storm thing. Oh, it's these things. Yeah, they just water them and make them go faster. Yeah. Oh my God, when are you gonna harvest? When are you gonna be able to harvest paper planter? I mean, it is getting pretty big. It's like bigger than my head. It's honestly really big. I've never seen one this big in my life. Like, I planted like 10 of these already, and it's been so far. I'm gonna go complete brown bear stockings. When do you spawn? Ladybug, when do you spawn? Oh, I don't think it's gonna spawn. Oh, no, there he is. Kill him, boys. Brown bear stocking. Okay, let's go. Where? Where's the sprout? There's a sprout in some field. Oh, here. I'm gonna go do the sprout before I do that. Oh, crap. No. Poof. Oh, no. Good gosh. Alright, I'm just gonna keep, picking at the sapling. Alright, I'm gonna go. I need to come over here. Yeah, hi, Spido. I feel like to get back there, you need to like get. Oh, here. You need to get up here. I think what I'm gonna do. Yeah, Rhino Beetle. I'm just gonna ignore you. I need to come up here because I need to do something. I know that my container's full. I just need to do something up here. Very big business. I'm joking. It's not that big. Yeah. You can get back here. Oh, darn it. You can't get back there. I just want to know how in the world can you do that? Oh, yes, I'm in. Okay, so now I should get the royal jelly. Whoa. Yes, I got the royal jelly. All right, now I have to come up here because there's something up here that I need to do. 1, brown bear. 2, I can auto sell up here, which I really need to do. And then I'm going to go attempt to defeat the snail. But I doubt I'm going to do it. I bet I need like way better pets. So then where's that auto sell here? To do instant convert. No. Sure. Instant convert all my honey. Boom. There we go. I really don't care that I just minus 1 ticket. I have like 40 tickets, so I'm like not really bothered about that. yeah, so, and I'm gonna try to do a live stream, but I might not be able to. Alright, talk to Science Bear. Oh, good thing you're here. I had some technical difficulties with I'm investigating the circuit, whatever that is, and believe I've identified the problem. But in order to solve it, I'll need you and your bees to gather some resources. The lids are important, and thus the work yield of bees is many per reviewed studies. Twinkling bees miss lights may inspire a scene of magic. Aren't just magic. I'm just gonna collect. Okay, I'm just not gonna. Oh my god. Brown's bear stocking. Okay, I believe. No, I did the science bear task. Now I need brown bears stockings. They're up here. I'm gonna go for the. First, I need to do the brown bear thing. I believe it's up here. I have no idea. I believe it's in here. Oh, no, it's not in there. Yeah, I'm just going to look for it later. Okay. Sorry about that. It was my dad talking to me. I have, skate practice. Yeah. Alright, I think soon we're going to wrap this thing up at, for 15 minutes, I think. Got it, guys? Whoa, it's growing. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up soon, so. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.